Today I'm going to show you how to do a sewn bind-off. And you can see I've already started binding off this shawl with the sewn bind-off, which was the bind-off that was specifically recommended by the author of this pattern. The reason this bind-off is recommended here is because, number one, it looks very good with garter stitch, and it creates a very elastic border, which allows these ruffles to develop in the border from the lace pattern. This is a very simple pattern, but it does require a lot more time than any knitted bind-off that I've ever done. First thing you want to do is take your working yarn and cut it to a length that's at least 3 to 4 times the width of the edge that you're going to bind off. Next step is to thread that yarn onto a tapestry needle. And then to start the bind-off, you're going to take the tapestry needle and run it through the first 2 stitches on the needle purlwise. And then you're going to pull the thread all the way through. Now, because I left a very long bit of thread here, it tends to get tangled, which can be a frustrating part of this bind-off, but I just wanted to make sure I was going to have plenty of thread to complete the bind-off. Okay, the next step is to take that tapestry needle and thread it into the first stitch knitwise, and then pull it all the way through. Okay, and then the third and final step is to take the first stitch off of the needle and repeat. Thread the tapestry needle through the first 2 stitches purlwise, pull the yarn through, thread the tapestry needle through the first stitch, now knitwise, pull it all the way through, and now take that first stitch off the needle. I'll show you one more time. Thread the tapestry needle purlwise into the first 2 stitches and pull the yarn through. Thread the tapestry needle into the first stitch knitwise, pull the yarn through, and take the stitch off the needle. So that's all there is to it to make this very simple yet somewhat time-consuming sewn bind-off.